Dear Mr. President, dear Donald Trump, please help Ukraine for the weapons against Russia on its war against the dictator Vladimir Putin. Please help the people of Ukraine. They need the truly help of America. Can you please give them the B-2 bomber for for the the Ukrainian government so they can win the war by this time already, because it's been 4 years since the aggression of Russia on Ukraine. Please help them, Mr. Donald Trump. Thank you so much.